too dark. Seth. Turn the light on.
Rise and shine, buddy.
Turn the light on. Oh. Oh. Hey, buddy.
It was too bright.
Hey, buddy. First day of school. First day of school, man. First grade. What do you think?
Let's go, little first grader. I gotta rise and shine. Huh? It's time to get up, Pookie. Seth.
Time for first grade, buddy.
Seth. Come on, Pookie. Gotta get dressed and get some cereal. You know Daddy's recording you right now. You could be putting on a first grade show this morning. And dance and act silly for the camera.
Hey, man. Hey, buddy. Buddy. Seth. Hey, man. You ready to go to first grade? Huh?
Okay.
Do you want to go to the first grade? Hey. Want to go to the first grade? We're going to be late on the first day. We don't go.
Not Seth.
Get your bags. Got your lunchbox? Hold it up. Nice. You ready? Ready for first grade? Hey, Seth.
Y'all say good morning.
Daddy. The big first grader.
First grade. You guys in the same class?
No, I am in Miss Shots. I'm in Miss Coleman's.
Stand right here. Back up.
Hey, look at me.
I wouldn't have done it.
That's exactly what he's saying, isn't it? Smile. Come on, make it.
He's ready to go in. You ready to go in?
He's ready, isn't
Seth, look at me, man. I don't know. Where's the car?
I don't know. You're smiling. Hey, how are you? Good. Come in. Come in. There you go. Come on, buddy. Remember where your seat is? Right over there? Okay. Just unpack your book bag and just leave it at your desk. Can you just take out your glue folder and your planner? This is your planner. Prayer buddy. Thought maybe since they were new. Hannah, did you meet Chandler yesterday by any chance? Chandler, that's good.